When we celebrated the new year for 2020, I don't think anyone expected any of the events that are currently unfolding. While the year has mostly been a bummer, it also has been kind of a blessing in disguise. You guys know me, I'm always trying to think on the bright side of things, and if there's one positive to all of this, one benefit, it has to be being able to just sit back, refocus our lives, better ourselves, take a step back from it all. These past few months put a lot of things into perspective, but above all, they've actually been very refreshing. They allowed me to invest more in myself and become better and smarter about the work that I do. One of the things that shaped my work from home experience has been my new UPLIFT V2 commercial standing desk. I talked quite a bit about it when I shared my new work from home creative setup a few weeks back, but in more ways than one, it's hard to put into words how much UPLIFT changed the game for me. What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the UPLIFT V2 commercial standing desk. I've been sharing a lot behind the scenes lately, and this desk has become an essential part of the work that I do. It is worth noting that UPLIFT did not send me this desk. I invested in it. The way I'm looking at this purchase is the money that I'm saving from not traveling or commuting to work or buying unnecessary things, I'm investing more into myself. Turns out that since I work so much on a computer, this was probably one of the best purchases that I've ever made. Before we continue on with this video though, I want to remind you guys to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon so you can be notified by YouTube whenever I decide to live stream and upload new videos. Also, if you want some faster updates from me or more content from me, you can follow along over on my Twitter or Instagram at Raymond Strazdas. There's a lot going on. Every sub, every follow, every thumbs up, it all helps support the channel. So let's continue to grow together and get back upstairs so we can check out that desk.
Whew, Sonic's got nothing on that speed, yeah. So when I first got this desk, man, I don't think I've ever gotten a bigger, heavier package in the mail like ever. I got the 60 by 30 inch version of the desk here, and it is the mid-size option that UPLIFT sells. At the end of putting this thing together, I actually had to go to my town's recycle center to get rid of all of the cardboard and inserts because there was just so much. On the positive side though, that means that everything was very well packed. Assembling the desk wasn't that much of an issue. It's recommended that you have someone do it with you to speed up the process, but I mostly did things by myself until the very end when I had to flip this thing over because it's very, very heavy. From start to finish, it took about an hour to an hour and a half, so not really too bad. The directions were very straightforward, easy to follow, and the bottom of the desk is very well outlined for where you need to screw things in. As mentioned, I got the 60 by 30 inch size here, and I got it in a walnut laminate wood finish. This thing just looks and feels beautiful. It's a solid, sturdy desktop that feels the part for its premium price. UPLIFT also sells more expensive real wood options for those who want to go that route, but those are nearly double the price. It's hard to complain about the laminate because it looks and feels really great. I covered my main workspace with a leather desk pad to prevent any marks or damage, so at the end of the day you can just spend 20 bucks here like I did, and it's not going to matter what type of desktop you got because you're covering it with a desk pad here and protecting it from marks and scratches. So if it wasn't clear by now, the appeal of standing desks is that they are height adjustable, so you can raise them up and lower them down at the press of a button. Pretty cool. I opted to go with the advanced keypad here, where you can preset 4 custom heights and raise and lower the desk via the up and down buttons. It is definitely worth the extra $39 over the basic keypad, which only offers up and down buttons. UPLIFT claims that the V2 can lift up to 355 pounds, but that is not something I'm willing to test on this thing here. It holds everything that I needed to and more just fine. At all heights that I use this thing at too, it is very sturdy. Everything on the desk shakes because monitors are wobbly, plants are wobbly, but the desk itself, it's very solid. Another thing that absolutely shines about this desk is the cable management. You can organize everything underneath the desk with a surge protector in the included mounting tray, resulting in a one cable solution running down to your outlet. The desk comes with that wire tray along with a number of adhesive zip ties to help you strap things down to the desk, resulting in a clean look beneath it. The wires I have underneath here are pretty much tamed down, I think, but I also think I could do a better job than this.
Lastly, the reason why I decided to go with UPLIFT over other brands is because this is a very modular experience. You can customize the desk to look and work how you want with the accessories that you want. I added on a hybrid shelf drawer that holds things both in a drawer and has space on top of it to act as a shelf, 2 hooks for my headphones, 1 on each side, and a balance board for when I work and stand up. This board is something that I find myself standing on at least 90% of the time now. It's just an awesome way to get in some movement throughout the day. I think the final component I'm gonna get for this setup is some kind of adjustable stool or chair of some kind. It's not totally necessary as of now, but it'll definitely save some space in my office compared to my big bulky office chair that's definitely seen some better days. Overall, I'm extremely happy with the UPLIFT V2 commercial. As I mentioned earlier, UPLIFT didn't send me this desk. I full-on invested in this new setup. I thought since I'm saving so much money by not traveling and going to conventions or events this year, I'll invest more in me, my workflows, my well-being. Behind the scenes, I'm a person who's all about working smarter than harder nowadays. Being efficient in my work allows me to get out more, better manage all the work that I do, and just enjoy life more. It seems like such a small thing, but in reality, when you work at a computer for a long time, a desk like this can change it all. Anywho, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, you know the drill by now. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. And until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace!